Shading, a beginner's nightmare. So I'm going to show you how to practice in a really easy way. All you're going to need is some paper and your favourite pencil, and it's going to be really fun. Now if you're confused about pencils, I've got another video which I will put the link to in the comments below, so please check that out. If you're okay with your pencils, then pick your favourite one and we will get going. Alright, let's go. So I've got my favourite pencil, a 2B. It's kind of a medium pencil, so I quite like it because it gives you a dark shade when you're pressing hard, and it gives you a really light shade if you're really gentle with it as well. I've given it a good sharpen. Now, when I talk about pressure, I mean pressure onto the paper. So if you press hard, you're going to get a really dark shade. Now the lighter I press on the paper, see how that changes? It gets so light you can barely see it. So now the exercise I want you to do today is I want you to scribble on your piece of paper. I know, crazy. Scribble all over, make a nice little pan. Right, now I want to choose a light source. So I'm going to go for one up here. And then I'm going to shade according to my light source. So if I imagine my light is coming here, it's hitting this blob here. Where the shade will be is under here. So I'm going to start off really dark, so I'm pressing really heavily, and then I'm starting to lift off as it goes up, the teardrop shape. Now I can go back down, layer it up, make it a little bit darker. But as I go up, I'm easing off on the pressure. And this is how your shade is created. I'm going back and I'm layering it just that little bit more because I want it quite dark at the beginning. You use a little bit of cross hatching. Cross hatching means when you do a line one way, like this, and you're literally crossing the other way. Cross hatching. So now choose another little space. Okay, I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to put a dark line there to begin with so I can shade off a bit. This is often the easiest way. If you shade off a darker area, it's going to be a lot easier than if you're just starting in the middle somewhere, aimlessly trying to make a shadow. Darkening up that section, imagining where my light is falling. And again, changing that pressure according to how light or dark I want it. Now I'm going to change my pencil now. I'm going to go for a really light one. Let's see, what have I got here? Okay, I'm going to go for a 6H. Now you can see the difference. If I press hard on this one, because it's a harder pencil, it gives quite a smooth blend. So this would be good on areas like a cheek or chin, forehead. Because you can really layer it up, but it's not going to get any darker. If you were to layer up with a 2B pencil, you're going to get really dark, and then you're going to find that your shadows are all wrong again. Still using pressure with this pencil, but it's not really getting any darker. It's just filling in those gaps that I've left from the first time I went past. Here it is. Okay, so light source. Okay, this lead is terrible. It's gonna break. So now I want you to continue to do this all over your scribble and experiment. Use some different pencils. Try some of the cross-hatching. Put more pressure on, less pressure on. Just experiment with all the different pieces, doing different things in different boxes. I'd love to know what your thoughts are on this video, and if there's anything else I can help you with, obviously leave a comment below and I will get back to you. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos coming soon. Bye!